A touch and feel test is a quick and easy diagnostic test to determine possible problems in the refrigerant loop. Be sure to wear safety glasses and gloves and exercise extreme caution when touching high-side components, as they can be very hot. Look for warm lines and components that are cold. Restrictions on the high side will have the same effect as an expansion valve or orifice tube, as they will cause a lower pressure after the restriction and cause cool or cold lines. If the touch and feel test seems normal, connect air conditioning gauges to the low and high side ports and check the pressures. Low side pressures usually vary between 20 and 45 psi, and high side pressures are normally in the 120 to 210 psi range. Our 134A systems may run as high as 240 psi on the high side. If both the low side and high side pressures are low, suspect a low refrigerant charge, an obstruction in the suction line, a clogged orifice tube, or a thermal expansion valve that is stuck closed. If the low side is lower than normal and the high side is higher than normal, the airflow over the evaporator may be restricted. High-low side readings coupled with low-high side readings indicate an inoperative compressor or a compressor with internal damage. Higher than normal pressure on the high and low sides can be caused by a refrigerant overcharge, restricted airflow over the condenser, high engine coolant temperature, a thermal expansion valve that is stuck open, or refrigerant contaminated with air or moisture. On R12 systems equipped with a sight glass, air bubbles or foam in the sight glass indicate a low refrigerant charge. A few R134A systems use a sight glass, but the appearance of bubbles in an R134A system is normal.